4:53. Good morning, everybody. It's me, Happy Kitchen Fitter. So I would like to show you what I did in 3 days. 3 days, I did quite a few little kitchens. And now I'm going gym, so please watch my channel for more kitchens every week. Have a lovely day. Okay, let's fit the biceps, and after let's fit the kitchen. Oh my god, he's so busy. Why biceps don't stay like that all the time? Looks best after the session. I don't know, but I know how to fit the kitchen. No tools, everything inside. Happy Kitchen Fitter with helmet, vest. Let's do it. It's quite a few kitchens. Let's fit the kitchen. Ooh, it's dark here. That's done. Yeah, he rang me already. That's done. And that's done. They're my easy jobs. I showed you them before. So, Happy Kitchen Fitter. Let's do it step by step, easy, simple jobs, all of them simple jobs. Simple straight run, bean gap, draw pack, sink, gap for dishwasher, fridge, freezer, and sink. It's so easy, too easy to show you anything, so hocus pocus. Okay, not bad, but let's finish. Okay, keep working, keep fitting the kitchen. Splashbacks ready, 2 sinks, straight run, I showed you them before. Easy jobs. Hocus pocus. Boom. Haha. That's done. So it's next kitchen. So it's the third one. Okay, so gap, dishwasher, showed you them before. Fridge freezer. Just silicone left. Tweak the doors. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, this is next room. It's so easy. It's just filler. What's going on? Dishwasher. I showed you before. You've seen them before a few times. Okay, so let's finish. Okay, so that's next room done and dusted. Boom. Dishwasher. Sink unit. And fridge freezer. Okay, it's done now. Gym time. Okie dokie, so that's done. Wardrobe done. An island done. Perfect washing. And that's next room. Okay. Store room, wardrobe done. That's Wednesday. So 3 of them done. 1 more left over there. And what's left? 1 more room. So 2 rooms tomorrow, Thursday. Boom, boom, boom. Done and dusted. Bye bye.